I'm here at a construction site to finish off our building unit to show you. Come on. Before the day begins, everybody meets in the conference room. This is an excavator. It digs long trenches or really long holes for huge pipes to fit into underneath the buildings. This is where the driver sits up here with all these windows so he can see all around him. Check out this big arm. It's super strong and is connected to a bucket to pick up lots of rocks and dirt. Look at how big it is next to him. It can pick up so many things at once. It's so big, we both could fit inside at the same time. This is a conveyor. This conveyor has a big bucket, or called a hopper, up here on the top. That's where the rocks and the dirt or the gravel are put in, and then it comes out of the long boom or long arm in the front. I'm going to walk around here and show you this bucket right there with the flaps. That's where it comes out. The boom can get bigger and it can move rocks over big walls or into another truck. This is a mini excavator. It has a track for wheels to help it get through dirt and big rocks. It also has a bucket to scoop smaller loads. The driver sits up here at the top. This is one of my favorite ones to look at. It's called a front end loader. It has a huge bucket in the front, and the wheels are just as big. It can scoop so much dirt. Look at how big it is compared to him standing next to it. Those wheels are as big as you. This next one is called a sheep's foot compactor. Check out these interesting wheels. They look a little pokey, don't they? It packs the dirt down with these special wheels. There's another piece of equipment that lays down more dirt. Then this one comes along and pushes it all down. This makes sure that the foundation is nice and strong. This is called a scraper. This is what lays the dirt down for the sheep's foot compactor to come by and push the dirt down, nice and compact and strong. The last one that we saw at this construction site was a forklift. This forklift has a long arm at the top, and the driver sits over in here. My little buddy found the gas tank cap. He was so excited. These wheels on all of this equipment was so big. Everything was so fun to see. You can see up in here in the cab where the driver sits. The steering wheel's up there. There's pedals to push and buttons. And if you look up here, this is the long arm that goes to where the forklift is. You see how it looks kind of like a fork? It can pick up really heavy bundles of things and move them to different places. We saw so much equipment today. Thank you so much for joining us for this. Bye, everybody.